Stick. This is what we're going to put our branches on. I'm going to wrap it with the crepe paper. I'll show you guys how to do that. You'll be needing a skewer. If you don't know what it is, those things you use to make suya. You'll be needing your scissors to cut your crepe paper. You'll be needing your ruler and pen for measurement, and of course your crepe paper. This is green color. We also have the light green. I don't know if I'll be using it, but I'm going to keep it handy. You'll be needing your glue gun and of course extra glue. So let's get started. We're going to cut our crepe paper to look like this. So how to achieve it? All you need to do is to measure out 1.5 inches. So we're going to measure out 1.5 inches. So it will be uniform. 1.5 inches. So these are 1.5 inches. And then we're going to measure out about 1/2 inch upwards. That's where we're going to cut the line. That's where the line is going to stop. If you can see, here is uncut. So we're going to measure 1/2 inch. And then we cut it out. So this is our 1.5 inch, and then if you can see, this is the 1/2 inch where we're going to stop our cutting. So let's start. You're going to cut it small. If you have there's a scissors with so many mouths, if you can get that, it will be better. But if you can't, you just have to learn how to cut it little by little. So there we have our cotton. So you're going to look for the end and open it up. Now you get your skewer and then you apply little water or glue, and all you need to do is just wrap it round like this. Wrap it like so. It will form the leaf. You can see this is very simple. And then when you get to the end, you cut it off and then you seal it with your glue or your liquid. Yeah, so we have one. So you repeat it until you have as much as you need. There's no particular measurement, just get as much as you want. Here are some more. So I made this with newspaper. This one I made with the skewer, so I'll put this one first. So all we need to do is apply glue, and then we keep putting it round till it forms this. So let's do this one. We'll apply glue at the end, and then we glue it to the stick. Now we'll hold it down till it dries. Yeah. So repeat another one. Seal the end. You press it down gently with your hand so it falls to form a shape like this. So we'll keep doing it until we get to where we started. Mm. So it's remaining one for us to close up where we started. Then we'll move into another row. Remember, I don't remember to show you guys how I make this with the paper. To make with the paper, you just get a sheet of paper and then you cut it into two. Just like this. So now you get your skewer, but you can also do it with the skewer, but you're going to have to form it into an icicle before you put it on your wood. But if you want to do it with paper, you're going to put it individually. So just get your skewer, choose an end, either this or that, to start your rolling. So you just put it like this. and then you roll it on the skewer. This skewer would form a guide like this. You keep rolling it, as you can see. And then when you get to the end, you could glue it. You add little glue so it can seal properly, and then you glue it. There you have your stick. Now we'll do another one. You choose an end, you place your skewer on it, and then you roll. And then you add glue to the end and you close it. So we have two. So now we do the same method on we do the wrapping method. You add little glue to the, so your crepe paper can stay, and then you wrap just like that. And then you cut when you get to the end. I like to leave little on the paper because we're going to fold it later on, so to be a waste. So then we seal it with glue, and then we'll close it like that. The glue sticks in. So here we have one, just like we had with the skewer. So now let's repeat for this one. First we add glue to and then you cut off, and then you seal it again with the glue. So now what we do with the paper, we're going to bend like this. So we're going to stick it like this to our stick. I'll show you guys. So this is our tree. So we're going to cover up this space. So I'm going to show you how to use the paper. You know, the other one, we had to form an icicle like this before we can place it like this. But with the paper, you just need to bend it. You apply your glue first on the end. And then after applying your glue, we'll just fix it like so. there. Once it dries, it stays. You repeat the same for the other one. You follow it. So like this. You keep doing until you get to where you started from. So you continue like this until you fill in all the gaps and it all looks like this, and then your Christmas tree is ready. Still, I'll show you guys when I get to the end. So as you can see, the tree is completed and this is the finished look. So now we're going to wrap the bucket, and that will be the final step. And this is the finished look. So now we're going to wrap the bucket, and that will be the final step.